Today we will be looking at a 1991 CBR 400RR. The bike has upgraded cooling system, with a new flat radiator, and 2 Fireblade fans wired up to a manual switch to bypass the thermostat, so it is possible to turn on the fans manually. The fans still turn on via the thermostat by some sort of wizardry incomprehensible by my silly computer voice. It is equipped with an RVF 400 front end, Öhlins steering dampener, Nitron rear shock suspension, and a Delcavage exhaust for a nice sound. Most notable about this motorcycle is that it has a 1996 Fireblade 919cc engine. Once the fans come on, the engine is cooled within seconds, so quickly that you can watch the coolant gauge drop within seconds. This is rather exciting, like watching paint dry. If you are interested in this sort of content, please consider subscribing, or I will have to be returned to IBM and voice how it's made videos. Thank you until next time, you stupid cunts.
Eu sou festão, hein?